Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Fontainebleau, local and long-distance movers near me. The right long-distance moving company makes a huge difference. Our team of professional movers will make sure you have access to all the necessary services. We can do all the following for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Weighing the pros and cons of hiring a local Florida moving company is a smart way to decide. When you look at the pros of how much time and energy you'll save, the cost becomes easier to justify. Handling the move on your own means heavy lifting and lots of time packing. It also means you have a trusted team to move all of your things properly. A professional moving company like 3 Movers offers a way to get you settled into your new home faster on the day of your actual move. Whether you're moving an apartment or a home, we can help streamline the process. What might take you a few days or a few weeks to get done, we can complete in a matter of hours or an afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fontainebleau moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.